Today, let's talk about a single website that could honestly replace dozens of the little apps and bookmarks you use every single day. It's designed to be the one and only toolkit you'll ever need for hundreds of small digital tasks. Let's dive into Grey Wolf Tools.
Okay, first things first, let's talk about a problem that I'm pretty sure drives all of us crazy. The constant tiny annoyances of getting things done online. You could call it digital friction.
You know that moment, right? Maybe you're a developer, staring at two slightly different pieces of code. Or you're a writer, trying to spot the changes in a document. What do? You end up hunting for some random diff checker website.
Or hey, maybe you're a content creator. You just finished this amazing video, but of course it's the wrong aspect ratio for Instagram. So it's back to Google, searching for a free video resizer and praying it doesn't slap a giant watermark all over your work.
And listen, it's not just for work stuff. Think about something as simple as going out to eat. The bill comes, and suddenly everyone's scrambling for their phone's calculator or looking up yet another website just to split the check. Every little task requires finding a new tool.
All this hassle, it really begs the question, doesn't it? What if you could just stop searching? What if one single place could handle all these little things with absolutely no fuss?
Well, that is exactly the promise behind a platform called Grey Wolf Tools. It's built from the ground up to be that one-stop shop, your digital Swiss Army knife.
And when I say one-stop shop, I am not kidding. Right now, the site offers 114 different tools. Yeah, you heard that right. 114 utilities all in one place.
And the whole philosophy behind it is super simple. Provide a massive collection of tools that just work, instantly, right there in your browser. No downloads, no subscriptions, and absolutely positively no cost.
So you're probably wondering, how can one website possibly handle so many different needs? How does it do it? Well, the secret is all in smart organization.
And this is what's so cool about it. It caters to totally different people. For you developers out there, you've got your essentials, like an advanced diff checker or a mock data generator. If you're a creator, boom, tools to resize videos, generate QR codes, or instantly fix text case. And for just, day-to-day life, you've got everything from a compound interest calculator to that smart tip splitter we were just talking about.
But to really understand just how deep this platform goes, we have to zoom in on just one category: the unit converters.
Get this. There are 71 distinct unit converters on the site. I don't mean 71 units, I mean 71 entire converter tools. That's insane. That's more than most dedicated conversion apps have.
And this is where the level of detail just becomes mind-blowing. We're not just talking feet to meters here. We are talking about incredibly specific, professional-grade converters for things like thermal conductivity for engineers, magnetic flux density for physicists, and even typography units like points and picas for designers. It's just shockingly comprehensive.
So at this point, you're probably thinking what I was thinking. Over 100 free tools. What's the catch? They've got to be collecting my data or something, right?
Well, the platform's answer is a really powerful promise. They state, all tools process data entirely in your browser. No code or data is ever sent to our servers. But wait, how is that even possible for a website?
It all comes down to something called client-side processing. Now, in plain English, that means your own web browser is doing all the work. The website just gives your browser the instructions, but your sensitive data never actually takes a trip across the internet to their servers. It stays with you.
So let's break down why that's such a game changer. Unlike a lot of online tools where you send your data to some server, creating potential security risks and slowdowns, Grey Wolf keeps everything on your device. That makes the processing instant and, most importantly, completely private.
Okay, let's bring this all home. Why should this one website become your new default for almost everything?
So let's just put it all together. You get this massive suite of over 100 powerful tools. It's completely 100% free, but the real kicker is that it's private by design. Your data never leaves your computer. And all of this is delivered with zero friction. No downloads, no signups. It's just ready the second you need it. So this thing basically replaces dozens of single-use sites with one reliable, private, and unbelievably fast alternative. The only question left is, with 114 tools at your fingertips, what problem are you going to solve first?